So guys, these are the beach road apartments just close to the area of Nyali. But this road is the beach road, which is called the beach road. And when you go to this side, you go to VOK dumping side and the area of VOK. But guys, my today's video is not about showing you guys these apartments here in Nyali and the beach road. I'm heading to this neighborhood here. Yeah. So this neighborhood, as I told you guys, I want to show you guys places where most of the people have never, or most of the YouTubers have never shown you. I want to show you guys. So this area here is called KIDOGO BASI. Yeah, this one is KIDOGO BASI area. And when you are finished with KIDOGO BASI, you enter Maweni area. And I want to show you guys how this area looks like. So before I continue the video, I just want you guys to subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and let's begin this video. So this is KIDOGO BASI. This is how it is. Yeah. So let me just move just a little bit in these streets so that I can be able to show you. This is a new house, yeah, as you can see. It is still a new house, guys. It is still a new house. Let me see if I can get someone here so that I'm able to ask. Okay, let me see. I think it's a bed sitter or what? Oya vipi? Nyumba mpya? Kuna mtu ambaye anaweza kuongea naye bei? Kuna mtu anaweza kuongelea bei? Kuna mtu responsible eh? Nice. Hakuna hata moja imefunguliwa niangalie ndani. Zote ziko wazi. Okay, sawa asante. Ni bed sitter. Nice. See how it is. Wow. This is amazing. It's a cubicle room. Nice, this is good. Look at the washroom. The washroom is big. Nice. There's a sink right there. Nice toilet right here. And the washroom. This is the washroom. And this one here. This one is maybe living room and everything. And also this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. Wow, amazing. Nice veranda. Steel doors. Sliding window. Oh my God, this is great. This is good. Nice. Bro, ni aje? Kofiti? Niko na cheki nyumba, kuna jamaa wangu anataka nyumba hii side yao. Nilikuwa nataka kujua bei. 10K. Okay. Hadi deposit ya ngapi? Miezi mbili. So 30K. Inakuja na nini maji nini kama hiyo. Iko hapo ndani ya 10K. Okay. Na nyumba zote ziko size ama kuna zingine kubwa, zingine ndogo? Kubwa ni ile pale, ile ambayo imefunguliwa pale. Acha niangalie. Bei bado ni hiyo, ndio? Guys, I'm checking this room. Wow, look at this. Someone is living here, but it's big. Look how big is it? It's a very big house. We have the toilet down here. This is the toilet. We have the sink here, the toilet right there. The ceiling is nice. You can do your own customization. This is the kitchen. I don't like the kitchen though. It's kind of small kitchen, but the house is big. The house is big, but the kitchen is kind of small. It has the kitchen cabinets there. You can put your stuff there, utensils and everything. Your rack there. I think they have water here. So this is nice. So this is big. This is a very big house. Very big house. We have a nice veranda here. There's still house constructed here. It's not finished yet. Okay. I think they will have water here. So all of this is in KIDOGO BASI. The area of VOK and KIDOGO BASI are just neighbors. So this house is just located here. It's a very nice one. I think because of this, they put some water drainage to the other side so that they cannot flood the veranda. But it is nice. This house goes for 10K per month. 10K per month, and also with the 2 deposits, which is 20K deposit for 2 months, and 1 rent, which is 30K for the total amount of everything. So if you want to come to these houses, you can just rent them for 30K and you can stay there here. Electricity, water inside and everything. 30K, you can stay in this house. Wow, okay, this is good. This is good. I'm just going out of the house. The house is big. The way it was built, guys, is kind of different. One of a kind, eh? One of a kind. Yeah. So this is a house here in this area. The area of Leisure KIDOGO BASI. I think there will be a shop here. People to do a business here. But the house is big, guys. Very big house. Wow, nice. This is nice. Yeah, this is beautiful. And guys, this is the area of KIDOGO BASI. I don't know where Maweni starts, but I'll ask. I see most of the people in Mombasa, when they want to go and throw trash, they always carry them in this kind of mkokoteni to go and dump the trash. All of these are residential trash. So someone will be pushing this cart to somewhere so that they can throw the trash. So this is KIDOGO BASI, KIDOGO BASI, KIDOGO BASI. This is the cab road here in this area of KIDOGO BASI. This is the neighborhood in KIDOGO BASI. It's kind of houses you can get here in this area of KIDOGO BASI. So guys, people hustling here. So if you have never been in Maweni, KIDOGO BASI, this is how it is, guys. This is how it is. Wow, damn. Yeah, this is how it is. This is the kind of houses you can get them here. Okay. I've never been in this area. This is my first time. I always hear them, so it is an adventure to me to come into this area and show you guys. It's an adventure to me. It's really an adventure. Okay, so this is how it is. KIDOGO BASI, Maweni area. So this is how it is. This is the area of KIDOGO BASI. This is how it looks like. Cock. So we move. So I think we are almost in Maweni. We are done with KIDOGO BASI. I don't know. I'll ask around and see if it is true I've done with Maweni or what. Or I'm not done. So let me just walk and see where this road takes me. Nice. This is a different area. This. So guys, yeah. So I've been told that this is still KIDOGO BASI. This is still KIDOGO BASI. All of this cab road is in KIDOGO BASI. Yeah. So yeah, it's different. It's kind of different. It is a nice experience to be in this area. Yeah. And these are the kind of houses you can get in KIDOGO BASI. Swahili houses. All of these Swahili houses around. All of these Swahili houses. And there's Mskitini, because I can see a mosque over there. So I think that's why it is called Mskitini. Mskitini Kidogo Basi, yeah. It's a funny name, but yeah, it was named like that. We cannot, I don't know the history, the main history about each named Kidogo Basi. I don't know the history, but yeah, I'm just surprised to know that this area is called Kidogo Basi. I always hear about the name, but I don't know why it was called like that. So you can see people are selling gas here, saloons and everything. As I told you guys, when you are doing your business just close to the main road, you get so many customers because so many people are passing around the cable road or the tarmac road and buying your stuff. Yeah, so wow. So guys, this is still Kidogo Basi. So this is the kind of houses you can get them here. Baby bro. Kidogo Basi, Kidogo Basi. The good thing about here is there is a cable road, so I think when it rains, people can move here very nicely without any kind of issue. Yeah, and it is a very long stretch. Baby bro, it's a very long stretch cable road. Yeah, very very long stretch cable road. So guys, this is Kidogo Basi. This is how it is. This is the kind of houses you can find in this area. I wonder how this guy here stays because of the so much noise you can get from this cable road. Wow. Oh, so this is Mskitini. Mskitini. They call this Mskitini because of this mosque here. That's why they call this Mskitini. Two Sister Salon Cosmetics. So I think this is one of the famous mosque around here. That's why they call it Mskitini. But what I've noticed that most of the people have just built their houses just close to this cable road. Yeah, look at this. Houses are just very close to the cable road, and I wonder how these people live here, because the dust, the noise, and everything during the night time, guys. Wow, this is just different. You can see this is the streets of Kidogo Basi. So if you have never, yeah, and I say never, been in Kidogo Basi, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. And we have so many mosques. Like this one is a mosque. I see another mosque around here. I think most of the resident areas here, the residents here are Muslims. Yeah, it's because I can see so many mosques. Azhar Sharif Comprehensive School. Oh, this is a school. It's called Azhar Sharif Comprehensive School. Oh, it's one of the social amenities that there's a madrasa around here. Oh, so this is nice. And I can see apartments over there, nice apartments over there. I think most of the houses around here are Swahili houses. We just have few beautiful apartments around here, but most of them are just Swahili houses. Yeah. So guys, this is Kidogo Basi. Kidogo Basi. Muhammad Ali is the MP of Nyali constituency, and I think he's the one responsible for making these amazing cable roads around here to help the residential people to just maneuver on these streets and this neighborhood very nicely. So this is just clean water. They are pumping water into neighborhoods. Wow. Kidogo Basi area. Okay. Yeah. And guys, I'm in this ground here. I don't know what the name of the ground. Mambo. Hii uwanja unaitwaje?
Kongoni.
Oko?
Kongoni.
Kongoni. Yeah. Alafu ukienda kule unaenda
kule. Barabara Leisure.
Unaenda ukienda kule ndo Leisure. Okay. Alafu kurudi huko ndo unaenda huko Maweni huko. Okay. Asante. Kuna barabara ya kuingilia na pale vile? Okay, sawa. Guys, I didn't know that I'm in Kongoni. Kongoni is this one. This ground is called Kongoni. It's a very big ground here. And also this one is the area of Leisure. When you go to this side, you go to Leisure. Yeah, you go to Leisure. And when you're going to this side, you go to Maweni area. When you go to this side, you go to Maweni area. So this is Leisure, and to the road of Mombasa Malindi Road. It is just close there. And when you go to this side, you go to Maweni area. I've come from KIDOGO BASI on the other side. I've come from KIDOGO BASI, and yeah, it was nice. I've never been in this in the area of KIDOGO BASI so much, but I've just passed through there a few years ago, and it was different. The Cabro Road was not there, and now I've seen the Cabro Road. It was not there. I've seen right now. So yeah, it is kind of different. This ground also is different. A long time ago it was not like this, but right now it is very, very, very much different. Wow. So when you're heading this side, you're heading to Maweni, but I think this is still KIDOGO BASI. I've just come to a different route, but it is still KIDOGO BASI. Wow, so those are the kind of houses you can get in this area of KIDOGO BASI. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like it, and if you like it, guys, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment. Heading to Maweni, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.